Lakewood. When winter's chill settles in, your boiler is the heartbeat of your home, and you can't afford to let it fail. At Belmar Lake Plumbing, we move at lightning speed the moment you need us, diagnosing boiler issues with precision and expertise. From mysterious clanks and pilot light outages to pressure drops and uneven heating, our technicians tackle every challenge head-on, restoring warmth and comfort with fast, reliable repairs. When a repair isn't enough, we bring you high efficiency. Replacement boilers built for Colorado winters, helping you save on energy bills and enjoy rock-solid performance. Our local experts know Lakewood's unique heating demands, so we recommend and install the ideal models and brands for lasting results. We work clean, communicate clearly, and put every system through rigorous testing. So from the first moment, you flip a switch, you feel the difference, whisper quiet operation, even heat distribution, complete peace of mind. Imagine mornings where every room greets you with cozy warmth. No more waking up to cold floors or worrying about midnight breakdowns on the coldest nights. That's the confidence Belmar Lake Plumbing delivers right to your doorstep. Don't wait for a full system emergency. Protect your family's comfort and safety today. Trust Lakewood's local boiler specialists, call Belmar Lake Plumbing, and get back to the reliable heat you deserve.